Yesterday, I started work at 8 o'clock. I left home at 11:35 and I arrived at the office at 11:50. My commute only took 15 minutes because there wasn't a lot of traffic. Because I arrived early, I parked my car and waited there for 5 minutes for the office to open. When I sat down at my desk, I made a to-do list to organize my day. I wrote down all the tasks that I had to do and I put the list on my notice board. I turned on my computer and checked my emails. I had a few of them, so I replied to the emails that the clients had sent me and I forwarded the emails that were meant for my boss. I made some appointments for the clients who had contacted me, but a few of them hadn't sent me all of their information, so I called them. I dealt with these clients on the phone because it was a lot faster than waiting for them to email me. After that, I prepared a presentation that I had to give before lunch. I researched information about the topic and created a spreadsheet with all of the important figures. I knew that my colleagues usually asked questions in presentations, so I made sure that I could justify all of my possible answers. At lunchtime, I took a break, made myself a coffee, and discussed work with a colleague who knows a lot of languages. He translated a document that morning and negotiated an agreement in French. He's very clever. I gave a presentation after lunch and it went well. My bosses gave me positive feedback and my colleagues congratulated me. At 3 o'clock, I attended a meeting. One of our bosses explained the problems that my company is having at the moment and asked us to work overtime. I turned down the offer to work overtime because I felt like I spent too much time at work and not enough at home with my family. My boss understood my situation and even thanked me for my good work. Before it was time to go home, I checked my emails again and made a few photocopies for the following day. I turned my computer off and tidied up my belongings. I was exhausted from juggling tasks all day, so I said goodbye to my colleagues and walked to my car to drive home. What a day! If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.